Welcome to Eduway Easy2Win CDs. This product, what we are going to have a demo is Edu Grandmaster. This covers chapters and topics from class 5 to class 12, especially science and mathematics. So 5, 6 and 7 classes, there is no categorization of physics, chemistry and biology. It's just science and mathematics. Easy2Win Educational Series is a fully syllabus-based learning software covering every chapter and topic in the textbook. Easy2Win series helps a student to learn most complicated subjects in simple language, providing visual aids and graphics. Let's have a look at this product. Now class 7, let's analyze this topic, nutrition in plants. Insectivorous plants.
Insectivorous plants. We know that many insects eat plants, but we shall be surprised to know that some plants eat insects. Example, Venus flytrap. Pitcher plant. They need to eat insects because their soil does not have certain nutrients like nitrogen for them to grow.
Now each topic is followed by a lot of useful things like extra reference, points to remember, short notes, question with solution, a huge NCERT question bank. Now let's go to the next, standard 8. Let's take mathematics, algebraic expressions and identities. Now, most important part of learning is 80% of learners are visual learners. For example, when I tell you Sachin Tendulkar, all of us know that he was one of the best cricketer India ever had, world ever had. As soon as we hear this name Sachin Tendulkar, there is an image of Sachin Tendulkar formed in our mind. That's because most of the things we hear or feel or touch is stored in our brain as picture capsules. Now most of us would have learned this formula, mathematics formula in our school called a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. When we suddenly hear Sachin Tendulkar's name, there's an image formed in our mind. But when somebody tells us a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b, we are blank. Because our education system gives more emphasis on theoretical knowledge. Now let's analyze how exactly is this formula formed and what is the practical application of this formula.
A square minus b square equals a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square equals a plus b into a minus b. This identity is represented graphically from the area A square. Another area B square is subtracted as shown.
Imagine you want to do a carpeting in your whole bedroom, which is in the size of a square. Now one side of your bedroom measurement is A. Think there is a table kept on one corner of your bedroom, which is comparatively a smaller table with one side B. Now how do you calculate the area of this room, removing the area of this small table kept on the corner of your room for carpeting purpose? Now for this, there is a practical application used in mathematics, that is a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b.
Side to make the shape into a rectangle. This rectangle has a width of a plus b and a height of a minus b and a height of a minus b. Hence the area is equal to a plus b into a minus b.
You can find here there are a lot of problems on different identities. There are multiple choice questions, practice problems, descriptive questions. Let's go to 9th standard, physics, Newton's laws of motion.
First law of motion. According Newton's first law, an external force is necessary to change the state of rest or of uniform motion.
So all of us would have learned this in our school days. Imagine a kid who's sitting in his 9th standard classroom and teacher explaining this. However a teacher explains this topics or this Newton's first law of motion, the kid is never going to have a complete understanding about this law. But here in our product, This is demonstrated in a very simple way using a football, wherein the football is a body which is in the state of rest, and when the player applies a force or hits the ball or kicks the ball, it moves forward, wherein there is a change in the state of this particular body. It's in the state of motion.
If the body is at rest, it remains at rest. An external force accelerates the body. Without the external force, the body continues to move with uniform velocity. To bring the body to rest, an external force is required.
The most beautiful part of this product is, suppose see, there is a terminology acceleration, you are unaware what exactly is acceleration. One click on it.
Acceleration is the measurement of how much the velocity of an object changes at a certain point of time, which is usually in 1 second. Thus, the velocity of a moving object can either increase or decrease over time.
So it makes it very simple for a kid to learn these topics. Now if you look at 9th standard, let me just demonstrate. This is CBSE physics, this is ICSE physics, this is state syllabus physics. As of now, we have developed syllabus for state boards Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra and Gujarat. Let's go to class 10. You find a lot of previous year question papers here. There is a library which includes physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, history, geography, English, computers, geography, history, mathematics, biology, chemistry, physics. The most important use of this product is, this has all subjects, all topics which you have learned in your previous classes available here with just one click. Friends, most of us would have wondered why when lakhs and lakhs of students apply for an IAS examination or a competitive examination, only very less numbers of kids qualifies for it. So all of us have to understand one thing, that is, all questions or any questions which appears in any of this competitive examination is something which is not out of the syllabus. Those questions and answers are available from your class 5 to class 12 topics. But most of the situations, what happens is, as soon as one academic year is over, we have a tendency to sell those old books or keep it somewhere along with the other waste things at home. Now this product is very useful, wherein class 11 is always followed by class 9. Class 12 is always followed by class 10. Correct. So here, suppose you are learning class 12. Out of these topics, you have a small doubt. You want to go back to your class 10 and have a look at it. It's available. One of the most beautiful thing about this plus 1 plus 2 module is each plus 1 plus 2 topics comes with IIT and JEE solved questions, performance chart, question generation. What exactly is question generation? Suppose your kid studying in any classes is learning a topic which you have seen in your school so many years back. Maybe you may not be remembering the topic properly. Now here you have an option to generate a question paper for your kid, wherein the answers are already known to you, and you can have an understanding whether your kid is following these topics in the right way. Now there are drawings here for physics, biology, mathematics, maps of India, states of India, union territories, rivers of India. Plus 1 plus 2 comes with computer science and a particular module for entrance previous year question papers. So what exactly does this product cover? Now 15 key points of this product includes descriptive notes, voice-over explanation, visualization, review questions, short notes and key points, practice problems, exercise solutions, instant reference, lab test, interactive notes, additional reference session, all syllabus under one roof, completely offline, personalized support and medical and engineering test. This is one of the best asset your kid can possess.